Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to delete Minecraft screenshots. So maybe you were trying to open the F3 options and you take a screenshot for mistake. Well, the solution is press the Windows key and the R key, and you have to write this in the window. Then you press accept and you have to go to .minecraft and you have to find the folder named screenshots, and here you will be able to see all the screenshots that you have took. You can delete everything, or you can delete one by one or whatever. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, press the bell in the subscription button, and see you in another easy way video. Remember to check out our channel because we have a lot of Minecraft tutorials. Goodbye.